Those of you on the Teletown Hall, however, if you have a question for the President of the United States on health care reform, *3 on your phone, and it won't take you off the broadcast.
Democrats have the House, the Senate, and the presidency. And when you stood up before the American people multiple times and said you would broadcast the health care debates on C-SPAN, you didn't.
So I absconded to a friend's house to watch the broadcast.
These were actually with Spanish-speaking television stations that have broadcasts back in the United States.
I'm going to have the opportunity to address the nation from Bagram just in a little bit, and it's going to be broadcast back home during prime time.
I know that we're being broadcast live into every U.S.
On Christmas Eve, 1968, the astronauts of Apollo 8 did a live broadcast from lunar orbit. So Frank,
tales about welfare queens, talking about takers, talking about the 47%. It's the story that is broadcast every day on some cable news stations. On right-wing radio, it's pumped into cars and bars and VFW halls all across America and right here in Elkhart.
Most fans listen to a game's broadcast when they can't be at the ballpark